Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to talk about Interlink network security group mining. So presently being the month of February 2026, the second halving has happened and the base rate has been reduced to 0.5. That's if your mining is if your human hash power is less than 10 or equals to 10. You should have a base rate of 0.5, but mine is more than 10, so that's why my base rate is slightly reduced to 0.38. So depending on what you earn per session or cycle, your best bet to level up in this period and increase your earning is to join a security group. So let me quickly show you. This is what I earn from my security group. I've not claimed for yesterday. You can see there are actually 5 groups here. You get to earn 180 per day, and you can only claim from one group every day. So this is crypto forts 2, 3, 5, 1 and 4. I think these two, there is people that have been inactive for a very long period of time, maybe 40 full or something. I really don't know. So that's the advantage of joining more than one group. So I get to pick the best. So there's no point coming to claim 144 when I can actually claim 180 from a secured group. So if you come back here, you can see my total balance. I have 221,801 ITLG. So I'll go ahead and claim from crypto forts. Let me claim from the 5. They are all the same 180. So when I claim this, you see it's going to be added to my balance. So if you are the person that is still mining very low, say you're doing 15 per cycle, just find a way to join a security group in order for you to get that 180 daily. It would help you push your balance very fast. 180 in 10 days is 1,800. So you need to really leverage on security group. The rate for security group is not dropping, but for the base rate it will keep dropping. After a while it's going to go to 0.25 and ITLG will become very scarce to mine. So when you get the 6/6 mining cycle in a day, you get to claim 180. But if you don't get up to that, you only claim the amount you were able to get. That's between 30 for 1, 60 for 2, 90 for 3, 120 for 4, 150 for 5, and 180 if you complete the 6/6. So if you're not part of a security group and you want to join one, please reach out to me. You will find the link to chat me up privately in the description of this video. Chat me up so I can quickly add you to a group so you can actually earn more and leverage on those mining strategy. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, turn on the notification so you don't miss videos when I drop them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.